Fears of reprisals after drug lord is murdered at party in Kencott, St. Andrew. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Andrea Chisholm. Also this evening, Prime Minister says he's keeping an eye on crime in St. James. Murdered Portland MP Dr. Lingvale Bloomfield laid to rest. Police and Education Ministry investigating principal accused of beating boys with electrical pipe. And NWC warns of declining storage levels at two main corporate area reservoirs. There's also Saturday Sports Special and weather in this newscast, so stay with us. The news in detail right after this break.